In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Format Painter in PowerPoint to instantly copy formatting from one object to another. If you've ever spent time manually changing fonts, sizes, colors, or styles to match other slides, this simple tool is going to save you a lot of time. Whether you're designing presentations for school, business, or clients, mastering Format Painter will make your slides look clean and consistent in seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Format Painter actually does. Format Painter copies the formatting of a selected text box, shape, or object, and applies that exact formatting to another object. This includes font style, font size, font color, bold and italics, alignment, fill colors, outlines, effects, and more. It does not copy the text itself, only the design and styling. Let's start with method 1, copy format once. Begin by selecting the text or object that already has the formatting you like. For example, maybe you've designed a heading with a specific font, size, color, and bold styling. Click directly on that text box or shape to select it. Next, go to the Home tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Clipboard group, you'll see a small paintbrush icon. That icon is Format Painter. Click on Format Painter once. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change to a small paintbrush icon, which means PowerPoint is ready to copy that formatting. Now, click on the text or object where you want to apply the same formatting. As soon as you click, the formatting will instantly update to match the original. The font, size, color, and other styling elements will now look exactly the same. And that's it. The formatting is copied once, and Format Painter automatically turns off after a single use. This method is perfect when you just need to fix one heading or quickly match one shape to another. Now let's move on to method 2, apply formatting to multiple objects. This method is extremely useful when you're designing slides with multiple headings, bullet sections, or shapes that all need to look consistent. Start again by selecting the formatted text or object that has the style you want to copy. Just click on it once to highlight it. Now, instead of single-clicking Format Painter, double-click the Format Painter icon in the Home tab. This is the key difference. When you double-click it, Format Painter stays active instead of turning off after one use. You'll notice your cursor again changes to the paintbrush icon. Now you can click on multiple text boxes or objects one by one. Each time you click a new object, PowerPoint will apply the same formatting. You can continue clicking as many objects as you need. For example, if you have 5 different section titles on a slide, and you want them all to match your main heading style, just double-click Format Painter and then click each title one after another. This keeps your slide design consistent and professional without repeating manual formatting steps. Once you're finished applying the formatting to all the objects you want, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will turn off Format Painter. You'll notice your cursor returns to normal and the tool is no longer active. This second method is especially helpful when designing templates, working on corporate presentations, or creating branded slides where consistency is very important. Here's a quick bonus tip. Format Painter doesn't only work with text. You can also use it with shapes, icons, and even images that have specific borders or effects applied. If you've customized a shape with a certain fill color, outline weight, and shadow effect, you can copy that entire style to another shape instantly using the exact same steps. So to quickly recap, if you only need to copy format once, select your object, click Format Painter once, and click the new object. If you need to apply formatting to multiple objects, double-click Format Painter, click each object one by one, and press Escape when you're done. Using Format Painter properly can dramatically speed up your workflow and make your PowerPoint presentations look polished and consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.